Have my super timber out for another flight tonight. There's left and right in the ailerons, left and right in the rudder, up and down the elevator. 4:23. So we are literally just past sunset, about 2 minutes. So we're going to add half flaps. 10-mile-an-hour wind out of the west, something like that, but it doesn't feel that bad. And so we're just going to take the super timber off, get a flight in. That's a stole plane, all right. I can get it up fast. And she flies fast. Ooh. Really up there. We'll keep it in the county.
Safe on.
I do like flying in AS3X, but I'm going to fly this one mostly in safe. I'll probably do a loop or two or so. Just
323 feet, 24.3 volts, 21.6.
just crawling along there, kind of into that wind. Take it out over the other parking lot and bank her around. Success 3300 again. The last battery was 2, and almost 10 minutes of flight time. 9:45. It's a great battery. It does really well. And I'm going to fly around the other way. I'm going to come around hard and go back to what I call clockwise direction. Do a few laps around the field this way. We are getting a little bit of drift
6 minutes, 2.
towards away from me. So there is a little bit of breeze up there. I can feel it on my back now. Take a lot of speed to keep it going, but you definitely don't want to stall this girl either. She's a heavy one. So if you're doing any kind of aerobatics, you definitely want to have some speed with it. The other day I came down and tip stalled as I was landing. Fortunately, I was only maybe 3 or 4 feet off the ground and landed in some reeds, so I was actually really good shape.
3 minutes.
That's why I've been kind of testing her out since. Her navigation and landing lights are really nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come around hard here and then go back the other way and see maybe if I can get down a little lower for a low pass. There isn't a ton of room for a big plane like this. My UMX guys fly really nice on this field. It's pretty low. A little further away than I would have liked to have been, but
4 minutes.
let's try that again. Not going to do a touch and go today, but something that this plane's good at. I've done a few of them in the past. There you go. You can see those landing lights really nicely.
safe off.
Gliding her back in from that high altitude. Not too high, just up there pretty well. Starting to get dark. 3 minutes might be a long time. Won't look too dark on the camera, obviously, because the lens will open up for us. So hopefully you see the plane really nicely. Already up for 6 minutes, so let's kind of get her ready to bring down. I wouldn't call this guy a park flyer, and this is probably closer to the large park. It'd be better in the RC field, but getting out there tonight for these two flights would have been difficult from a time perspective. Just takes a little bit to walk over to it. I'm going to let this gentleman walk by me, and then I will look to get down a little lower. He goes around the laps and walks pretty well. Walks frequently around, so I'm going to cut inside him on the inside part of the field, and then come back out towards me. Okay, so let's see about getting her down even lower this time. Breeze is definitely picking up from behind me. There we go.
30 seconds. 20 seconds. 8 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Checking the soccer game over here. I don't want to be over it.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's look to bring her down. Turn the corner here. A little bit down on the throttle, up on the throttle now, and then bring her down on the landings, and then drop the tail. So let's taxi back with the e-flite Super Timber 1.7 meter. Thanks for watching, and please comment.